Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Manon from Katseye's jeans denim video look on Dress to Impress. I hope I pronounced her name correctly because I've been replaying how to say it properly, but I'm not French. So this is how you can recreate it. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I know it looks weird from the back, but we don't care about the back, okay? That's how I do all of my hairstyles and Dress to Impress, just the back looks whack. Anyways, grab this hair and color it black. No adjustments made. And then this hair, no adjustments made as well. Then this hair, and oh, I didn't do adjustments. And then this hair, I did do adjustments. Toggle it to the second one. Position the Y to 0.26, Z to 0.64, and rotate the X to 0.53. For the top, you're going to get the bikini top from the Baddie Pass and color it this color, 616E83 in denim for both. Grab this and then you're going to color it white, and then for the strings you're going to color it the same denim color. For the pants, we're going to use these pants in the Y2K low rise in the same denim color. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. Maybe I'm trying to like match it with the top here. Okay, I think that looks good enough. I'm just going to color the button as well. Then I'm going to get these boots from Coats and I'm just going to color them black. Lastly, we're going to grab these hoop earrings in like a gray color and this bracelet in like a white color like this, maybe like a grayish color. Okay, that is it. That is Manon from Katseye. I don't know how to pronounce her name properly. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.